cried. Dad, I saw you crying.
The dog the one the movie was based on, it was mine. When I was about your age, I was sent way out west to stay with my grandpa.
Come on.
Are there any crocodiles?
Yes.
What happens if you get bitten?
You die.
It was lonely being in a new place without any friends.
What's the matter?
It's my birthday. I was thinking my mum would call.
She didn't.
I'm gonna call you Blue. Blue? You're red! I think we're gonna be best mates.
Dogs don't sleep in the house.
Blue. And he was the first real mate I ever had.
Come on, Blue, come on! Ready?
Where's my bloody shaving cream? Hey!
He's a trickster.
Grandpa thinks I'm not properly educated. He's hired some old woman to come live with us.
I bet she has warts, hair growing out of them, on her nose.
I was told to meet my new tutor.
Was she old and hairy, Dad?
No.
This is how it looked in the old days. People everywhere, hard work and sweat, good times.
Afraid of a little competition? Fight me.
I lay a hand on you, your dog's gonna bite me.
Yeah!
What do you think you're doing?
Can you do any tricks? Can you sit?
We all run away sometime or other.
The memories we have, we get to keep.
Know this, there'll always be a home here for you. Let's go.